Today we will tour 1034 West Paradise Drive in Casa Grande, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Casa Grande, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Casa Grande. Welcome to this stunning, new home built in 2023, offering a perfect blend of modern comfort and low-maintenance living. This spacious residence features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, encompassing 1,865 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. It offers tile in all the right places, carpet in the bedrooms, and a built-in storage in the laundry room, walk-in closets, and a large pantry. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The updated kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with all the modern amenities you could desire. The large center island serves as a focal point, complemented by sleek white countertops and an electric stove, perfect for culinary creations. Other features of this home include ceiling fans, low-maintenance desert landscaping in both the front and backyards, and a spacious primary bedroom with its own private bath. Thanks for watching the tour, and have a wonderful day.